Every user can update its own user preferences. User preferences go in terms of how many results you want to see appear on your screen, for example. To change that, you can either go into your own profile here, or I can go to the quick settings on the right top. There I can set my default CRM language, default accounts view, and default view for owners. There is a grid view and a list view available. Then also I can generate my export iCal. This is to synchronize my calendar to an external iCal. There is even a possibility to import a calendar. To set up your mailbox preferences, you can go and click on Configure Mailbox, and it'll open a dialog just like any other IMAP dialog, where you first select the type, and we have Gmail and Outlook as predefined types, or any other IMAP. You define the incoming server, the port, whether there is a certificate, outgoing server, port, user and password, and then you save it. As simple as that. It'll take up to 20 minutes to sync your initial setup. In your profile, you have several options. You can change basic data of your profile. You can see your commissions. Now, these commissions can only be changed by the agency admin. In the advanced tab, I will also find how many records per page I want to display depending on the size of my screen, and then also how many elements in a grid page like the accounts grid or the owners grid. If I use the holiday rentals booking module, I can then also define how many properties I want to see per page. And here again is my default language. There's also another method to connect through Google Authorization and Office 365. This is an older method that we still support but will soon expire. You can define your signature. This is the default signature that will appear in emails whenever you select to use your signature. We have the digital signature installed. This digital signature in the future will be used to put also below documents automatically. On the bottom you find the default accounts view, the default owners view, the default properties view, because also there you have a grid view, and the default dashboard view. Then you have the ticket notifications, where by default they are all turned on, and you could then manipulate to turn them off. In the Access tab, I can find an API key. This is something I cannot change here. This is only for the main admin to set up, but I could update my password. Be aware, the password requires a number of conditions. The holiday calendar is to set whenever I'm going on holiday and who will be my backup user. And then I have a history record of changes that have happened to my profile.